Today, San Francisco Mayor Daniel Lurie spoke about the attack on his bodyguard that happened after the mayor's car stopped in the Tenderloin last week. ABC 7 Eyewitness News reporter Luz Pena was there and joins us live with his response. Luz.
Yes, Emma and Dan, we actually learned that the individual accused of attacking the mayor's bodyguard was actually charged back in 2019 and 2020 for criminal threats. For the first time since the attack on San Francisco Mayor Daniel Lurie's bodyguard, one of the suspects was scheduled to be in court. On Monday, District Attorney Brooke Jenkins filed charges against the men. Those charges include resisting an executive officer, assault with force to cause bodily injury, willful disobedience of a court order, unlawful lodging at the same location from a previous citation. Mayor Lurie said the incident won't deter him from doing exactly what he was doing moments before his bodyguard was attacked last week.
I think I need to be able to see it myself and not just stay cloistered up and not be out on the streets. I walked the streets this morning and had some great interactions and was able to help some people.
We obtained the detention motion, which revealed specific details about the incident, saying there were 4 people blocking the road. 2 were sitting on the sidewalk. 1 was actually sitting in the street. The document says one of the individuals was aggressive and stepped towards the mayor, which led the bodyguard to position himself between the 2, and the men threatened the officer, leading the bodyguard to shove the individual away from him with both hands to defend himself. This led to the assault witnessed by multiple people in the area. We asked the mayor if he would do anything differently in the future.
I'm not going to stop doing it. Now, I will consult with our detail and our chief and make sure that we can do this safely.
San Francisco Supervisor Rafael Mandelman said he's glad the mayor sees the crisis on the streets up close.
And a lot of people will cross the street to get away from it, hide from it. We do not want our city hiding from this problem.
The vice president of the San Francisco Police Commission said they will be looking into this incident.
A number of commissioners are going to want to ask the chief for updates about the incident, just to make sure that we have all the policies and procedures in place.
And the arraignment is now set to happen tomorrow at 9 a.m. The San Francisco Public Defender's Office also confirmed their attorneys will not be representing the individuals involved in this case. Instead, they will be represented by attorneys who are paid by the County of San Francisco.